Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeast New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from an area of thunderstorms over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not underestimate the power of floodwaters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County,